send it. What happened to your face? Why are you so dirty though, up front? Check that little clear thing that I told you to check the other day. Yo, what's up? Lens clean? Yeah. On it. Push it down. Oh, I made it. No, it won't. You don't need to go back. Go straight forward from right there. Oh, come on, you got a wheelie. You got a wheelie. Like, just send it. Remember, go. Went into the lake. I said you almost went into the lake. Yeah, that's the perfect way to do it. Don't try to like hang on to it, just let the bitch go. What happened? I thought you used to go to the gym, exercise, you know, run. Hey, did you expect it to be this much of a workout? No one does. That's the great thing about. Come on, we're rolling right here, right now. Hey, what did you just say? You can't what? Huh?
I can't handle this shit.
Why? You're barely dirty.
Huh?
What?
All
right, fourth gear. Go! Nope. I'm good. Oh shit! Alright, let's go. New nickname, Pushy Pushy.
Fuck you.
Wait, what?